Hey, how's it going, Jasmine? Thank you very much for opening the video. This is Lucas, and this is the video I was telling you about of three little things that I found on your website that you can fix really easy so you can start building Lars Remodel and Miramar kitchen and bath. These guys, as you see when you look for San Diego kitchen remodel, pop up on the very first results on Google. So these guys are getting all the business. But by implementing these three things that I'm gonna tell you about, you'll be able to beat them and get those first spots with all the extra business that means. You may wonder why I made this video for you, and this is because I know business owners are really busy taking care of their business and also their clients, so they don't really have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. Also, when it comes to hire somebody to do that for you, it's hard to tell who's an expert and who's not if you don't have the experience. So I like to make these free education videos for business owners and send it to them so they have all the information. And some of them, they like to take it and put it in action themselves, but some of them, they contact me and they have me doing it for them. Either option is okay with me. I just do this because I like it. And if you like what you see and you want me to help you get in there, just give me a call or send me an email and I'll gladly help you. Right now, that said, let's jump into it. I'm going to tell you about the three main things that Google search engine uses to rank a website: content, backlinks, and citations. Content, as you can imagine, is all the content that is on your front page, okay? All the text, pictures, how the pictures are saved as, and also what is behind those pictures. And as you can see, you have about 1,200 words, which is really good, okay? Usually Google likes to see about 2,000 words of keyword-rich content. You see, Lars Remodel, for example, one of your competitors, they have a lot of content as well. And when you paste it on the word counter here, you can see that they have 1,500 words. Difference between your content and their content. Their content is really high in keywords, okay? Miramar Kitchen and Bath as well, a lot of content. So you want to put a lot of keywords in that content. Keywords are basically the services that you provide, okay? What people is looking up on Google regarding the services that you provide. So San Diego Kitchen Remodel, San Diego Flooring, Tile in San Diego, all that kind of stuff, okay? You want to look which ones are the people searching the most, and then you want to drop those terms several times on the throughout that content in order for Google, when somebody look it up, they can find you and pop your website at the very top. Second thing is backlinks. A backlink is basically um, a link to your website in another website. That when somebody clicks in it, it takes you back over here. That works kind of like a popularity contest. Okay, Google loves to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you and giving you the backlinks. But I gotta say, you can get a backlinks for anybody, any kind of website. But again, it's not the same all the backlinks. You can get a backlink for a website that talks about food or fashion, but it's not the same as if another construction company or remodeling company gives you a backlink. Those are the ones that Google like to see, and those are the ones that are going to give you the real power and trust on Google sites, all right? Those are the ones that are going to take you all the way to the top. Here in Purple Room, we use a tool called Ahrefs to check the backlinks. You see, when I put your website here, I see that you have 31 referring domains. This means that it's 31 websites out there that somewhere in the website there is a link, and when you click it, it takes you over here. You see your competition, Lars Remodel has 74, and Miramar has 38 referring domains. These guys have a really strong referring domains. So what you gotta do to beat them is as simple as you come here and you copy them. You take all these websites, every single one of them, and every single one of these ones as well, and you just copy them. Okay? You make a profile and then you put a link to your website on that profile. That way, you will be matching all the backlinks that they have, and then you just build some more on top. So that way you make sure you're not just matching, you're beating them. That way you secure your first spot over here with no problem. Third thing that I want to talk about, last but not least, citations, is what it gets you right over here in the MacPack. And the good thing is that you can do this for free. All you need to do is get more citations than your competition. And then the way you do it is by listing your business information online in several directories throughout the web. That is basically what a citation is. When you list your business information in a directory, okay? So you get to see how many citations your competitor has, and let's say they have 150. I would put 300, but you should like at least another 100 more than your competition. And again, you do like with the backlinks, you copy them. That way, they can never catch up to you. When they start building more because they realize that you stole the first spot, you start doing the same thing and you make it really hard for them. But to make a little recap, you need 2,000 words of rich content, keyword rich content. You already have a lot of it, so just make sure that you target those keywords. Then build a strong backlink profile that you can start doing by copying your competition, all right? And then build some more on top of that. And last, just build the citations. List your business information in as many directories as you can. But what I would do is first copy your competition and then just add another extra 100. Okay? Because the same with the backlinks, if they're good for them, they're good for you. That said, if you're interested in this, start as soon as possible, since implementing all this takes some time. And the sooner you're done, the sooner your phone will be ringing. Okay? If you like what you've seen in this video, give me a call if you want me to help you. If not, please just take all this information for free and implement it yourself. But if you have any questions, again, give me a call, shoot me an email, and I'll be glad to help you. Thank you for watching. And if you can give me a little feedback, that'll really help me along, since I do these things for free, and the feedbacks make my day. Thanks.